Okay. So last class we learned about the integration ka base, indefinite integration we done, right? Indefinite integration means there is no limits. Okay, lower limit, upper limit. But now we are going to the definite integrals. Definite integrals may there is a limits. Example, integral x square dx from 1 to 2. The lower limit is upper limit. Whenever limits are given, this integration is nothing but definite integrals. Definite integrals may here c will not come, plus c will not come. Definite integral may plus c will not come. Okay. So how to do integration? See, x square ka integration is, tell me, x cube
Cube by
by
cube.
3. Limits are from 1 to 2. Now simply this upper limit, right? Upper limit substitute here. How much? X 2 cube is 8 by 3 minus lower limit. X के जगह में 1 substitute करो, 1 by 3. That is 7 by 3 is the answer. Upper limit minus lower limit we have to do. That's it. Here no c will be coming. Upper limit means here 2 is there. Instead of x you have to substitute 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3 minus lower limit. X के जगह में substitute 1. 1 cube by 1, 1 cube is 1. 1 by 3 is copy done. This is called definite integral. Here plus c will not come. Definite integration में plus c will not come. First copy करो. And tell me integral x power minus 2 dx from 3 to 2 to 3. Solve. Then tell me first inside normal integration we have to do in inside. So what is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power minus 1 by minus 1. We have to put in square brackets. From limits are from 2 to 3. Okay, minus will be coming outside. And what x power minus 1 ko I can write as 1 by x only. Minus you bring outside. Okay.
Sir, minus 5 by 6.
We'll see. Okay. Okay. So minus outside. So upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 3, right? Substitute 1 by 3 minus lower limit. Lower limit is 1 by 2. So minus. So 2 minus 3. How much? Minus 1 by 6. So it is minus of minus plus 1 by 6. Should see normal integration will rehan. But we are substitute after doing integration, upper limit minus lower limit we have to do. That's it. That is called definite integration.
1 by 3 the lower limit?
See, x power 1 by x के जगह में 3 is upper limit, this is called lower limit. First you are substitute upper limit. So 1 by 3 you substitute minus 2 के जगह में substitute here 1 by 2. So if you do LCM, we'll get 1 by 6.
Where does the x go?
X के terms में, see what is you tell me this one?
Oh,
P of x is equal to x plus 3 means P of 2 is how much? Tell me, Rehan.
5.
Where is x going?
Like, what do you mean where is x going? Like,
Where is
Oh,
here?
it's
Answer you told us 5, right? Where is x went away?
Substitute.
yeah,
Substitute. We substituting x के जगह में first 3.
Oh, fine. Yeah.
Second minus lower limit means x के जगह में we are substituting here. This is called definite integration. These all will be linked in kinematics वगैरह. These all basic maths we are
How did
doing.
minus 1 by 6 turn into 1 by 6?
Minus 1 by 6. Minus into minus plus, right?
Oh, I didn't see.
Okay. Okay, चलो. कब बेटा? Next. ना करो. हाँ ये करो, फर्स्ट पे करो, आंसर बोलो।
Sir, in fraction format or decimal?
Fraction only.
124/3.
Yes, correct. 124/3. Yeah. X square का x cube by 3. Limits are from 1 to 5. Now substitute upper limit in this x के जगह में. So 5 cube is 125 by 3 minus lower limit. X के जगह में 1. 1 cube is 1 by 3. So it is 124/3 is answer.
Yeah.
Okay, now करो. This is algebra, right? We have to integrate each and every term by putting the limits.
Just cos x.
So indirectly इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 0 to pi sin x dx. This dx should be multiplied by both, right? Plus integral 0 to pi cos x dx. Like individual function we have to integrate. So normal integration only. Sin x का integration is minus cos x. Limits are from 0 to pi. Plus cos x का integration is sin x. Limits are from 0 to pi. No upper limit minus lower limit ka lago. Minus is send outside. But confusion should not be there. Minus should be outside. So cos pi minus cos 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. X के जगह में substitute pi. Minus lower limit. X के जगह में substitute 0. Plus upper limit. Sin x के जगह में substitute pi. Minus lower limit is 0. Now calculate कितना है. Cos pi is how much? Cos pi. Cos 180.
1/2.
No, wrong. Cos pi. Sin pi. We done 90s. 90s use करो. We done 90s on that day, right? वो use करो. Values. So I'll give clue. Sin 180 को I can write as sin 2 into 90. Is nothing but sin 2a Sin 2a formula is what? Sin 2a formula will be, we done INT starting mein, like
Double angle.
2 sin a cos a. Now a is what here? 90. Cos 90 is how much? Here
Cos
a is 90.
90.
Substitute a ke jagah mein 90. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0.
Zero.
So 0 into something is 0. So sin 180 is 0. And sin 0 is 0. So total term is 0 here. Okay. Now cos pi is -1. Yaad rakho. Minus cos is how much?
1.
1. So -2 plus 2.
2.
Understanding? So these values you have to know for this trigonometry, and this will be helpful for you. Next. Karo. Easy.
Sir, 1.
आपको इतना रहन. Sin x का integration is minus cos x.
Yeah, I got that. And then you
How
put
much?
minus outside, right?
Minus outside. Cos pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 90, right? Minus cos 0. So cos 90 is 0. Minus cos 0 is 1. So it is 1.
1.
Next. Understanding? Next. This is also easy.
Sir, 1.
Yeah.
How
Cos
much
x
is
का integration.
how much is sin 0?
Sin 0 is 0. The table you have to by heart.
0. Okay.
Sin pi by 2 is 1. Minus sin 0 is 0. So it is 1.
More.
1 minus 0 is 1. This one.
Sir, -2.
Minus 2.
Yeah.
देखेंगे.
Sin theta by 2.
Cos x का integration is sin x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So sin 90 is 1 minus sin of minus 90. It will be how much? Minus 1.
Minus
So it is
2.
okay. Chalo. Now we'll go for applications of integration. I told you integration is for area under the curve, area under the graph. That is called integration. So whenever they given a graph, if I do integration, nothing but area will get, area under the graph. Okay, that is called integration. Dekho, now how to do this. Find the area bounded by y equal to x. Graph is given, and x-axis between 0 to, limits also given, 0 to 2. I want area under the graph. कौन सा graph है? Y equal to x graph. मतलब like this graph will get, right? Okay, area bounded by y equal to x and y equal to x and x axis. Okay, so क्या करेंगे? What is the area? How to find area bounded by the graph means nothing but integration. So integral area is equal to integral y dx, right? Y dx is the area under the graph. Y versus x graph में the area under the graph will be y dx. So y is how much they given? X dx. And limits are from 0 to 2. He's asking the area with the limit 0 to 2. Area is nothing but integration. Solve karo. So karo. X power 1 is x square by 2. Limits are from 0 to 2. So 4 by 2 is 2 minus 0. So it is 2. Abra. Differentiation is for slope, integration is for area under the graph. Chalo, next question. The given P versus pressure versus volume graph is given. Some volume is given, some graph is given. The pressure is 6 by V they given. 6 by V they given. He is asking what? A gas expands its volume from V to 3V. So the gas is expanding from V to 3V. It is increasing, right? Okay. As shown in figure, calculate the work done by this process. Use this formula and calculate the work done. So he only given the formula, right? Work is a integral of P dV. Okay, pressure in thermodynamics में will get this one again. कैसा रहेगा? The pressure and volume का area is nothing but work done. Okay, so use करो. W is equal to integral P के जगह में P is nothing but 6 by V dV. And 6 will be coming outside. Integral of 1 by V x dV is how much? Log x. So basically, limits are from where to where? V to 3V. So how much? Solve करो. कितना आएगा? X के जगह में 3V लगाओ. So 6 into log 3V minus log V. Okay. Log M minus log N. Log M by N. So V cancel. So it is 6 log 3 to the base C. So log 3 value, how much? Log 3? Log से reach किया ना?
2.
Log 3 plus 2 point. Why 2 point? 2 point नहीं है. So approximately 0.3 तक रहेगा. 0.3 या 0.4 तक रहेगा. Log values you have to see. But इधर तक लीव कर सकते हो, no problem. इधर तक लीव करो. Log values, there will be log table will be there. That time learn करने के बाद इसका करेंगे. Okay. But understood, method understood. How to do? Simply we have to integrate. Integration nothing but area under the graph. What are the value we have to integrate? P dV. P dV का graph. Okay. चलो next one. हाँ ये करो देखते हैं. Find the shaded region का area चाहिए. Bounded by two lines are there. कौन सा? Y equal to x का. This line का y equal to x. And this line का y equal to x square. दो line का shaded region चाहिए. I want shaded region between these two lines. Area. And limits are given from x में 0 to 1, y में 0 to 1. Do whatever you want to do. इफ यू डू ओनली वाई इक्वल टू एक्स का ग्राफ का एरिया फाइंड किया तो इंटीग्रेट किया तो विल गेट कंप्लीट एरिया. मुझे कंप्लीट एरिया नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ओनली शेड रीजन चाहिए. मतलब कौन सा एरिया माइनस कौन सा एरिया.
You subtract from the
हाँ,
integral.
सेपरेट करने का. इसमें भी आपको करना पड़ेगा. मतलब इंटीग्रल कौन सा है
1/6.
आंसर.
Yeah.
ओके गुड. एरिया इज भाई बैड कर दिया आंसर.
No, sir. I subtracted 1/3, 1/2 minus 1/3.
ओके गुड. सो एरिया इज इंटीग्रल फर्स्ट एक्स डी एक्स का माइनस. देखो एक्स इसका इंटीग्रेशन किया तो पूरा एरिया आएगा. बट आई डोंट वांट पूरा एरिया, आई वांट ओनली दिस एरिया. सो माइनस इसका एरिया, इसका इसका ग्राफ का इंटीग्रल एक्स स्क्वेयर डी एक्स. एंड लिमिट्स का इधर जीरो, एक्स का लिमिट्स आर 0 to 1 एंड ये वाला भी 0 to 1. खत्म. नो इंटीग्रेट. अंडरस्टैंडिंग रेहान. आप व्हेन यू डू इंटीग्रेशन y इक्वल टू x का कंप्लीट एरिया विल गेट, मतलब दिस कंप्लीट एरिया विल गेट. बट वी डोंट वांट द कंप्लीट एरिया, वी वांट टू रिमूव दिस पार्ट आल्सो, वाइट पार्ट. सो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, दिस टोटल ग्राफ माइनस दिस का ग्राफ विल गेट दिस एरिया. सो वी हैव टू डू इंटीग्रेशन दिस माइनस दिस. सो कितना होगा एक्स स्क्वेयर बाई 2 माइनस एक्स क्यूब बाई 3. So 1 minus 0 is 1/2 minus 1/3. How much? 3 minus 2, 1/6. The area. The applications understand. Area, integration is nothing but area. Difference is nothing but slope find करने के लिए will use. The 2 point slope find करने के लिए. हाँ करो. Find the area bounded by the curve from -2 to 2. Just simply area.
But you just substitute the x values, that's it.
X value substitute करने का. Area how to find for this curve, tell me. इस
Like you
ग्राफ
have
का
to
एरिया
integrate that.
इंटीग्रेट. हाँ खत्म. इंटीग्रल y
And then you
dx.
substitute, that's it.
हाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट. लिमिट्स, these are limits.
Okay, okay.
4 minus x square dx and limits are from -2 to 2. Now this is algebra. Separate करो. 4 into dx limits are from -2 to 2 minus integral x square dx limits are from -2 to 2. Now solve. This is algebra, right? Algebra को separately करने का.
Sir, answer is in fraction.
फ्रैक्शन. हाँ बोलो आंसर.
32/3.
32/3. कट. Here 4 coming outside, Rehan. 4 will be coming outside. Integration of dx is x. Limits up from -2 to 2. Minus x cube by 3 -2 to 2. No solve करो. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit किया तो कितना होगा 4 into 2 minus of -2 4 minus here how much 8/3 minus of minus plus 8/3. So 16 minus 16/3. So 48 minus 16, 32/3 is answer. चलो next. Find the area bounded by the curve and the x-axis between limits are given. उसका curve का diagram also given. Then how much?
4/3.
Yes, 4/3 is answer. Same thing. Then integral y dx. It is integral 2x minus x square dx. So if you solve, limits are from 0 to 2. So if you solve, you will get 4/3. Chalo. Okay, एक small application is there, हो जाएगा. Average value. We have to find the average value. Okay. इसका formula है, we will learn. देखो, if y is equal to f of x, suppose any function is there in terms of x में, it can be sin x, cos x, anything. Okay, I want to find the average value of y average value I want. So average value का formula है integral जो भी है f of x dx, limits are from a to b by b minus a. This is the formula for average value. Integral a to b, values will be given. F of x dx by b minus a is a formula. This integration is nothing but area, right? Area by the class interval ka this one. This is the formula. Average value. Okay, any average value we have to find by using this one. See, this formula will be helpful to find average velocity, average acceleration, average power, average current, anything. By using this formula we can get average power. Suppose y is a function of, tell me, y is a function of time, suppose. Now what is the y average formula will be? Integral f of t dt from limits are from t1 to t2 by t2 minus t1. This formula. Anything. Okay. Chalo. Copy it. I want to find the average value of current from 0 to 4 seconds. 0 to 4 seconds tak they given a graph. कौन सा current versus time graph is given. He is telling to find the average value of this graph. Find करो. Average value of this graph. So this graph is a linear graph one, right? So instead of integration, we can find the area under the graph, and by class interval. Khatam. That is the average value. Find karo. I average.
Sir, is that dotted line cutting exactly at half? Okay.
Just perpendicular we are drawing. That's it. Clear, Anshuda? How to find the average value of current? Total area under the graph upon the class interval. So total area, what is the area of this? Which shape this is? Triangle. Triangle ka area is what? Tell me. Half into
BH.
base into height. Base into height is how much? 2 is a base. Height is 5, right?
5.
So half into, tell me, half into
5.
base into height.
5.
Okay. Plus iska bhi same, right? I can write into 2. By class interval. Kitna size hai? From 4 minus 0 is 4. So 2 to cancel. 10 by 4. It is 5 by 2. 2.5 amperes is the average current. Okay. Integration or area is same. If they given in non-linear one, integration will help. But if they given a standard one, you can go for area. Chala karo. Calculate the average value of current from t equal 0 to t equal to capital T. And what is t? T is equal to 2 pi by omega. This all थोड़ा आपको आगे आएगा. Don't worry. T equal to 2 pi by omega. In circular motion also will come. In AC current also will come. Everything will be coming. Find the average current of this graph. So I का value is given. देखो I is a function of time. I is a function of time. Why? Because phi sin omega t is given. So whenever I is a function of time, what is the I average formula will be? I average will be integral I dt from t1 to t2 by t2 minus t1. Okay, integral I is nothing but I is how much? Phi sin omega t from t1 to t2. T1 is 0, t2 is t. I want from 0 to t, right? So 0 to t by t2 minus t1. T minus 0 is t. So 5 by t बाहर आ जाएगा. T is 2 pi by omega. लास्ट में करेंगे. Now tell me, tell sin omega t का इंटीग्रेशन. Sin omega t का इंटीग्रेशन is how much?
Minus cos omega t.
That's it, huh? Tell me. Wrong. It is not in standard format. It is not in x. Sin x नहीं है. So आपको क्या करने का? उसको डिफरेंशिएट करके बाई में डालने का. चेन रूल, right? Omega t का differentiation is omega. That omega will be coming like this. From 0 to t. No solve. T is equal to 2 pi by omega. They given 2 pi by omega. Substitute pi by 2 pi by omega. Omega will be coming upside. But omega and this omega will get cancelled. Minus will be coming outside. Cos omega t 0 to t. So omega, here omega is getting cancelled. Cos t. देखो इधर तक आया. Minus 5 by 2 pi. Limits cos omega t minus cos 0. Okay. Here देखो t के जगह में what is substitute? 2 pi by omega. I'm calculating that's it. कुछ नहीं. 5 by 2 pi into cos omega into 2 pi by omega. t के जगह में 2 pi by omega minus cos 0. Cancel. Cos 2 pi or cos 0 is same. Cos 2 pi, cos 0 is same. So cos 0 is how much? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 into something is 0. So average value is 0. याद रखो, whenever the full cycle is there, one is positive cycle, one is negative cycle. So average value of the cycle is always 0. अभी मतलब एग्जाम में आपको पॉजिटिव साइकिल नेगेटिव साइकिल अगर दोनों होगा तो एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ फुल साइकिल इज ऑलवेज 0. वो याद रखो. So by this your complete integration successfully done.